Hello everyone, my name is Sushant Kumar. I'm the founder and CEO for Genefitletics. Humans landed on Moon 50 years back. Human Genome Project was started 2 decades ago. We have built supercomputers that can process petabytes of data. Still, humanity is dealing with chronic diseases. Why is it so? We have all science and technology in place to solve these health issues. It is a misnomer that DNA is responsible for all chronic diseases. Our DNA remains static over life. So how our DNA can be responsible for various chronic diseases, whether it is diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular disease, even cancer. Right? It has now been found that microorganisms, microbiome, trillions of microbes living on and inside our body, right from mouth to small intestine to large intestine, to vagina to skin. They live everywhere, right? And they hold key to our health. Over the last few years, we have seen thousands of publications around, establishing connection between microbiome and chronic diseases. But all these publications actually sit on the cloud server. There is no relevant application of these publications on finding solution for these issues. We have seen in India over the last 2 years, the number of companies have opened up their microbiome shops doing microbial DNA testing, right? Which only tells which microbes are there. They fails to decode the functions and activities of the microbiome. For instance, a bacteria called Akkermansia muciniphila, which is said to have a positive impact on metabolic health, such as overcoming obesity and type 2 diabetes. But the same bacteria can also lead to issues such as multiple sclerosis and Parkinson's. So if you have this bacteria, whether it's doing a good thing or bad thing, you really don't know unless you decode the functions of the microbiome. And if you see, the market of the microbiome in India is going to, reach up to $15 billion in the next 5 to 7 years. Right? We at Genefitletics go beyond the normal DNA. We decode the functions and activities of the microbes at a molecular level. We offer India's first and only microbiome therapeutics platform that studies and analyzes the functions of microbiome at a molecular level to measure the biology and chemistry of an individual and determine pre-symptomatic molecular signatures that are predictive of chronic diseases, and then we provide disease-modifying therapeutic interventions. Right? So we stand above the rest, and we are the only company focusing on the functions of the microbiome. When it comes to microbes living in our mouth, there are 100 billion of them, right? And these microbes not only impact our oral health, right, but it also have an impact on various other issues like metabolic health, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even cardiovascular diseases and cancer. Right? So we are the only company in India who are studying the functions of the microbiome, offering oral microbiome test to determine the risk of various oral diseases such as gingivitis, gum disease, periodontal disease, right? And also the risk of diseases such as hypertension, cardiovascular disease, obesity, type 2 diabetes, and cancer.